makeup bag to transform your own face. Casey Crone is live with a Milwaukee makeup artist. Look at you. You look fantastic.
Hey, good morning. I feel like I've transformed into a skeleton bride. Tatiana Rosillo from Lace Fashionistas is joining us this morning to show us creative ways to transform your look this Halloween with things that you may already have at home. So Tatiana has added some jewels to my face here. We've put this headpiece and the veil on to kind of complete the look. And now she's showing us a totally different look. So we've got our great model here, Gabby. So Tatiana, tell us a little bit about what you're doing now.
Okay, so now we're going to completely do something different. We are going to do half a pumpkin.
Okay.
So it's just kind of a little bit of a maybe scarecrow, kind of something along that, something very seasonal, very fun, and definitely something different. So we're painting half of her face right now, and then we're adding all the details and linings for a pumpkin.
Awesome. And so with my face, you went for the full sugar skull, but you could have done a half look to even a quarter of the face. You don't need to go for that full face if you don't want to.
Yes, yes. So if you're busy with time or you're in a quick rush, half a face looks just as cool as a full face. And you can kind of bedazzle too if you're worried about making any of the lines or any of the detailing, and you can add lots of jewels and just really glam it up that way.
And it certainly is like art. You mentioned it's kind of like a canvas, and if you do mess up, I mean, if you're at home and you're doing this yourself, you can kind of fix it, whether you put a jewel on it to cover it up or kind of thicken that line up. I'm sure it's fun for you to do this all the time.
Yes, you can. It's very easy to kind of fix and hide behind some little jewels.
Sure.
Shadowing, just make it look good. And at the end of the day, it's Halloween, so that's the fun part. So even if you mess up, add a little bit of glitter, make a little something fun to kind of give it that Halloween feel.
Yeah, just own it, work with it, right? Yes. So tell us real quick too about the makeup you're using and kind of how people could tackle this at home.
Okay, yeah, I got this makeup from a local store. It's the NYX brand, so it's highly pigmented. You can put a nice primer on before, eyeliner. Even at the Halloween store, you can kind of use some of this. The Halloween stuff is a little bit different, has a little bit more of a grease base.
Sure.
So if you don't like that type of thing, well, you can even use eyeliner or eyeshadow, and then you can get the effect of the dark and the black lines.
Awesome.
And nice and easy for you too.
All right. And then real quick, if people do want to book an appointment with you, what should they do?
They can contact me at lacefashionistas.com. Otherwise, they can contact me through my cell phone. And, so we can provide that. It's on the website. And you guys are welcome to email me, message me, and then we can go ahead and book an appointment.
Awesome. And you said you are already almost booked up for Halloween. Demand is certainly high. We're going to send it back to you in the studio with the magic of makeup, guys. Back to you.
Awesome.
Scary Casey.
Yeah.
Do you want to know a funny story?